going to talk about vitamin A. Vitamin A covers both preformed vitamin retinol, changing the font, it consists of both the preformed vitamin, which is the retinol, and the provitamin, which is the beta carotene. Beta carotene is the provitamin. So the international units originally selected for vitamin A and provitamin were discarded. Now the international unit is of one international unit. One international unit of vitamin A is equivalent to 0.3 microgram of retinol. So the main important things to get covered, there are two vitamins, the preformed vitamin, which is known as the retinol, which is shown here, which is the retinol, and the provitamin, which is a preformed vitamin, is the retinol, and the provitamin. So coming to the functions, okay, functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A participates in many bodily functions, which like it is for normal vision, then it contributes to the production of the retinal pigments which are needed for the vision in dim light vision. Vision in dim light. Then it is necessary for maintaining the integrity and the normal functioning of the glandular and epithelial tissues. So glandular and epithelial tissues, so they need vitamin A. Then it supports growth, especially skeletal growth. Then skeletal growth. Then it is anti-infective. There is an increased susceptibility to infection and lowered immune response in vitamin A deficiency. Anti-infective. Okay. Then it may protect against some epithelial cancers such as bronchial cancer. Anti-cancerous epithelial cancer like bronchial cancers. Okay, so this is the thing. It is used for normal vision, it is used for vision in dim light, it is necessary for maintaining the integrity of the epithelial and glandular tissue, for the skeletal growth. It's an anti-infective, the deficiency of which might cause which might make the individual susceptible to infection, and anti-cancerous, it protects against cancers. So then coming to the sources, pardon me, sources of vitamin A. It includes animal foods, plant foods, and fortified foods. Animal foods, plant foods, and fortified foods. So these are the three sources of vitamin Animal foods rich in retinol are the liver, eggs, butter, cheese, whole milk, fish and meat. So besides writing it down, we shall see what are all those things rich in vitamin, like we shall see. Like vitamin A comes from animal sources such as eggs, meat, and dairy products. Animal foods, which includes foods rich in liver, eggs, butter, cheese, whole milk, fish, and meat. Fish liver oils are the richest natural source of retinol, but they generally use nutritional replacements rather than the food sources. Plant foods, the cheapest source of vitamin A is the green leafy vegetables such as spinach and amaranth, which are found in greater abundance in nature throughout the year. The darker the green leaves, the higher its carotene content. Vitamin A also occurs in most green and yellow fruits. Example, carrots. So green leafy vegetables, carrots are all responsible. Foods fortified with vitamin A like vanaspati, margarine and milk. Like vanaspati. Yes, vanaspati. You can see that. Vanaspati. Margarine is this. And milk. The liver has an enormous capacity for storing vitamin A, mostly in the form of retinol palmitate. Under normal conditions, a well-fed person has a sufficient vitamin A, so it is usually stored in the form of retinol palmitate in the liver. Under normal conditions, a well-fed person has a sufficient vitamin E reserves to meet his needs for 6 to 9 months or more. Free retinol. So, under well-fed conditions, a person has 6 to 9 months storage of vitamin A in the body. Free retinol is highly active but toxic and is therefore transported in the bloodstream in combination with retinol binding protein, which is produced by the liver. So, free retinol is highly active. It is transported in the bloodstream by this retinol binding protein, which is produced by the liver. So, liver produces the